Okay, so this is our car. It's a Chevy Cavalier. We bought this about 4 years ago, and we paid cash, so we never owed anything on this car, which that's a good thing. Like, it's not the greatest car in the world. It's nothing you'd really brag about or anything, but it is paid off and it does its thing. So we're gonna go inside. Okay, so we're inside here now, and I just want to show you this. This is our little Darth Vader air freshener that we got at Advanced. It is wearing out, so we will need a new one soon. So I wanted to start off with what I have in our glove box. And inside here, I have this little bag that my son's got me for Mother's Day that I keep extra change in for when we need it. In here, I don't want to show this to you because it is online and everything, but I got this little clear pack at the Dollar Tree, and inside I have our car registration and our car insurance, so if we ever get pulled over, it's right here. We don't have to worry or fuss where everything's at. And I also have this container here I got at the Dollar Tree that I keep all my coupons in, so when we're at the store and stuff, it's right there and I can grab it and take it in the store with us. And then I also keep a paintbrush in the glove box. And what I use this for is I dust our vents with this paintbrush. And I also got that at the Dollar Tree as well. In the center area, I really don't keep anything in there. We're going to go into the center console, and all I really keep in there are CDs, our masks right now for quarantine. And in the back, I have this container I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually decided to come back here so I can actually show you. Inside here, I have a roll of paper towels. I have a couple of pens, and mine and my boyfriend and the kids' sunglasses. I have a box of Kleenex. Some of the kids' toys are in here. Some extra CDs that don't fit. Then on the floorboard, it's a mess, sorry, we went to the drive-in the other night and the kids spilled popcorn, but we have an air compressor. I keep an umbrella and a window scraper back here. Okay, so in the trunk, underneath we have our spare tire, jumper cables, that stuff in case we'd come into an emergency. But I also keep a pillow in here in case the boys would get tired on a long car ride. And I have another one of these containers from the Dollar Tree. And inside I have a reusable bag in case the boys need to change their clothes. We have icky shoes, anything that's icky that I don't want actually laying around in the car, I'll stick in this bag till we get home. And a blanket for the boys as well.